Hello children, hope you all fine at home. Children, already we finished our portions. Now only 3 supplementary reading is pending children. In that 3 supplementary reading, Shani lesson is very important children, and 2 other lesson, Satya ki Mahima and Nagarik ke Kartavya. In that 2 lesson, any one lesson learnt means enough. It's because they'll give the options for the 2 lessons, questions they'll give and options. So you can learn any one lesson. Today we will start our Shani lesson. Shani sabse sundar grah. Shani means Saturn. Saturn planet is a beautiful planet in the solar system. You know, in the solar system, Jupiter is the biggest planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet in solar system, and Saturn is the second biggest. Shani grah is there, no? This Shani is the second biggest planet in the solar system, children, and it is 750 times larger than Earth. It is 750 times. 750 means if how it is Earth, you can imagine. In that Earth 750 times biggest means it is 750 times larger. 750 ಪಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, will say, no, 750 times larger than Earth, and its diameter is how it is they gave here 116,000 means 1,16,000 kilometer. Saturn's diameter, how much it is, children? 1,16,000 kilometer, and which is 9 times larger than Earth. Then you can imagine 1,16,000 divided by 9. Then 9 times larger than Earth. Earth's diameter is 9 times larger than Saturn's diameter, children. The Earth is situated 15 crore kilometer from the Sun. And the distance between Earth and Sun, how much, children? 15 crore kilometer from the Sun, means the Earth and Sun's kilometer distance is 15 crore kilometer, whereas Saturn is at a distance at 10 times more than Earth. And Saturn and Sun, between Earth and Sun is 15 crore kilometer, and between Saturn and Sun is 10 times more than Earth, means 15 crore into 10. If you read means you will get the answer. That much times more than Earth. Distance is Saturn's distance is 10 times more than Earth, and Saturn's can be seen with naked eyes, without using the durbin. सी बिना कोरी आंखों से आकाश में पहचाना जा सकता है, मीन्स दूरबीन, बिना दूरबीन के बिना मीन्स व्हाट? विदाउट दूरबीन, विदाउट एनी टेलीस्कोप, we can be seen with naked eyes in the sky. Saturn can be seen. Then according to, see here, next second paragraph, according to the mythology, Saturn is the son of the sun. Saturn is the son of the sun. Suryana maga. Saturn means Shani. Shaniyo Suryana putra. It rotates very slowly. It rotates round the sun. It is very slowly rotates, children. So it is called the name Shanichar. Shanichar, it's very important. Shanichar का अर्थ क्या है? Means Shanichar. It is rotates very slowly. धीमी गति से चलता है, इसीलिए उसे शनिचर कहा जाता है. But people nowadays called it as Shanichar, and were afraid of this dark planet. Everyone are afraid of this dark planet, children. If you observe Saturn through a telescope, we can see a beautiful garland-like zone, and this has made Saturn the most beautiful planet. If we observe Saturn through a telescope, दूरबीन से देखा जाए, means if we observe Saturn through a telescope, then we can see a beautiful garland. Beautiful means खूबसूरत हार, means garland. Beautiful garland. Garland means har, children, like zone, and has made Saturn the most beautiful planet in the solar system. Most beautiful planet in the solar system, children. according to recent tazi jankari means according to recent studies. According to recent studies, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune also have zones, whereas Saturn's zone is broad and clear. Saturn's zone is broad and clear, children. And which one? Brihaspati, Uranus, Neptune. Uranus, Jupiter, and Brihaspati means Jupiter. That three planets also have a zones. And Saturn rotates slowly and goes round the sun once in 30 years. One round barlike 30 years. That Saturn need 30 years, children. Saturn need 30 years, and change in position in the sky negligible, and Saturn stays in one zodiac sign. एक राशि में means एक राशि में करीब 2.5 साल तक रहता है, means it stays in one rashi, one zodiac sign for 2.5 years. Understand, children? As Saturn is at a distance 10 times more than Earth from the sun, so it gives very little sunlight and heat on its surface. You can understand, because it is too far from the sun, so sunlight, very little sunlight and heat on its surface. That also how much? 1 part of 100, 1/100th of Earth. How much Earth will get? That's hundreds, only 1 part Saturn will get, children. Hence its temperature is minus 150 degree. How much is temperature? Minus 150 degree. Its temperature is. So Saturn is the most cool planet, most beautiful planets in the solar system, and most cool planet in the solar system, children. Like Jupiter, Saturn, atmosphere also like Jupiter. Brihaspati ki tarah means like Jupiter. Saturn's also atmosphere is made up of hydrogen, helium, methane, and ammonia gases. Made up of ammonia gases. Which and all gases? And it's very important. Saturn's atmosphere is made up of hydrogen, helium, methane, and ammonia gases. Our knowledge of Saturn is insufficient, children, because we don't know more about Saturn. Recent studies we got the in recent we got the information, children. Hence we cannot land on the Saturn as we can land on the moon. No, children, like that we cannot land on Saturn because it is too coolest planet, and we can land on Mars also, Venus also, but we cannot land on Saturn. And Saturn has a 10 satellites. What, children? Saturn has first, it is a 10 satellites. Now ab shani ke upagara sankhya 17, but in recently 17 new satellites have been identified. The spacecrafts Pioneer and Voyager have gone near Saturn and discovered its satellite. And Saturn might have a few more satellites, children. Not only 17, few more satellites are there. Then we don't know about that. Now recently we got only this much information, children. Few more satellites are there. The bigger satellite of Saturn is called which one? Titan. Bigger satellite of Saturn is called Titan, and it is the biggest, and it is the very bigger than the moon. Comparing to moon, that satellite Titan is very big, children, and its diameter is 5,150 kilometer. And that they will ask for exam also. Write about Titan ke bare mein likhe. Write about Titan, children. That time you can write anything about Titan. Titan is the biggest satellite in the solar system, and its diameter is 5,150 kilometers. And Voyager has discovered that the Ganymede satellite of Jupiter's satellite, which one? Ganymede satellite of Jupiter is the biggest in the solar system, and Titan, I think now they here Titan is the not biggest. In Saturn satellites, Titan is the biggest satellite, but Ganymede is the biggest satellite in the solar system, children. Don't get confused. Ganymede is the biggest satellite. Ganymede satellite of Jupiter is the biggest in the solar system, but Titan is the biggest satellite in Saturn. In Saturn's planets, many satellites are there. In that, Titan is the biggest. And the spacecraft cannot land on the Saturn, but can land on Titan. So spacecraft cannot land on Saturn, children, but in Titan they can land. Titan they can land. And Saturn is one of the most wonderful and most beautiful planet of the solar system. Considering any planet as good or bad is a superstitious belief, children. So I hope you all got the information about Saturn. This is a very important lesson, children. Learn well, study well. Thank you.